Right, let's hope this goes a little bit better than what it did before. Suggestions from the audience. Come on, I'm new, help me out, help me make my channel something that you would want to watch. Basically, the idea is this. I don't care what it is, thumbs up, thumbs down. Your voice is crap, you say, too much, all that. Let me know. What should I be doing? Should I be making top 10 videos? Should I be making more review videos? What should I be doing to make this channel, I don't know, popular, I suppose? Whatever. Am I going to be monetizing the channel? Hell yeah, but I only want 3 videos, one at the beginning, one in the middle, and one at the end. Apart from that, there are plenty of advertising ways / programs, produce. Jeez, I really should script these things. There you go. Should I script my videos? Quite a simple question. But let's see. Top 10 videos. They're so easy to do. They're so stupid as well. Right. Top 10 funny videos. Top 10 this. Top 10 that. Whatever. You guys let me know. I need help. I need you to help me make my channel better. I need you to help me make my channel the best. I have videos that I'm going to be uploading soon, car cam videos, but they really get on my nerves when you've got people who break the law and you can clearly see they've broken the law and the police don't want to do anything about it. And the last 2, I know exactly where these people live, and it's quite annoying because these are people who probably would go off crazy if somebody killed their children or whatever, and yet they're running around doing 70, 75 and 30 zones. Up 30 zones. 60 zones. So again, we don't have 60s, we have 50s. Well, that all being said, just give us some comments. Anything could do. Thank you. Catch you later. Bye.